Hi, my magical people. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and I have a brand new subscription to open with you guys. It came today, so this video will probably go up tomorrow since I already have a video up today. But I am so excited to open this one. It is the Sweet Kawaii Designs Kawaii Kit subscription. So it costs about $25. The designs inside are unique, and I'm not exactly sure how many pages, but I think it's going to be around 12. And yeah, I can't wait to open it up and see. So let's just do that. And I love this bubble mailer with all of the hollow. I might need the other craft knife because this is a pretty thick mailer. I was really impressed at how fast this came out. So in her thing, it says that she'll mail them between the 15th and 17th, and it's the 18th today. So these came really fast. Aww. All right, let's go over what was inside there in detail here. So we have a big jumbo sticker. This is a 5x7 sticker, which is super adorable. I love him in the little bath. It says pause and reset, which will be perfect for January. Then we have this like bonus sheet that has some really cute different things on it. It says thank you for supporting our small business, fresh start bonus. So it has things like sometimes all we need is a fresh start, a quiet night at home, listen to happy music, start on reading lists, get enough sleep, create an evening routine, nourish yourself, spend time with your faves, take a break from your screen, stay hydrated, declutter your space, and journal your thoughts. All of those are really important and awesome. I also love the fact that your script down here is actually separate from the icon. So you can do whatever you want as far as placement, or you can just use the script, which is sized appropriately for your Hobonichi Cousin. Then you get into the kit itself. I believe this one is called Fresh Start. And so she gives you a discount code here for your next order as a thank you. She's really good about PR codes and that kind of thing, so keep that in mind. She gives you a sticker that tells you the 11th is when you're going to get billed for your subscription, and the 15th through the 17th is when that's going to mail out. You also get some bonus little stickers down here. I love this guy so much. Like, he makes me think of a Yeti. I don't know if that's exactly what he's supposed to be, but I think he's adorable. And I love the bubble bath, and just all of the colors that she used in here are adorable. Love, love, love. So she does have on here a kind of disclaimer that says that you need to use a permanent marker or a ballpoint pen. Don't use a gel pen because it'll just smear. So keep that in mind for these, because they are on I believe she calls it a vinyl matte paper. I currently don't have any other stickers in my collection that actually fall into that same category. Then you get a page of headers with all these pretty colors. I love them. And you have this week's stickers at the top. And then here we have some potion bottles with self-love, focus, confidence there at the top. And you also have these little sparkle stars, a couple of days of the week little trackers. These are the ones I usually use for like my meal plans, but I'll be using them for something different in the new year. Anyhow, and then we have a whole list of checklists. These are actually perfectly sized to match up with the grid on your cousin as well, which is really, really nice. And then we have 2 sheets of full boxes, which are both really, really cute. So this one has him relaxing in the bubble bath. What's coming is better than what is gone, and every day is a fresh start. And then you have I adulted today. Some days you really need that. You also have to-dos here at the bottom. This one has, your potion bottles there. You have a release, recharge, reflect here, and relax, pause, and rest. And then down here you have 2 planner sessions, 2 quick cleans, and a family time, which is also really nice. Then you get your page of icons, which has just about anything you could need. It also has some more to-dos here at the bottom. but you have like grocery shopping ones, you have little bills for like paydays, that kind of thing. You have some computer strings, some computer screens, as well as some variations on chores here, and some little treats, as well as just a general cleaning one, and a prescription, as well as like a hospital sign in case somebody gets sick. You have reading and Happy Meal and like planner stuff down here, as well as some trophies that are adorable. Then on our next one, you get 4 Hello Weekends, and then you have all of these 1/4 size boxes and a bunch of habit trackers. And then these are half size boxes, which are also really cute. And then you have, I believe this is 5 weeks of day headers that you have here. So let me double check here. Hold on. Maybe they go this way. Yeah, they're supposed to go this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. And then you have all of your dates for them as well. And then you have 2 pages of washi with these cute little ones on the end. I think maybe the only place you can get these for the cousin is through this kit, but I'm not positive. So, okay, let's talk price for a minute. So a weekly cousin kit in her shop would cost you about $10. A jumbo sticker would cost you about $4. But here's the thing. The setup's completely different. So we know that's $4. So really we're looking at what does our $20 get us out of these. So a full kit, which, hold on, let me pull out my planner here for a minute. So this was this last week, or the current week, and this was only part of the kit. I should have probably pulled out the extras, but you don't get as much as you're getting in this kit. So I don't know if it's a fair comparison as far as price goes. So in your cousin kit, you get this page plus this page kind of combined. So let me see here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the half boxes. So 1, 2, 3. So essentially you're getting double. So that would make sense. And then you're getting all of these plus the habit trackers. And then you get this icon page, which I want to say is combined with something else. It's kind of your headers and your icons. So you definitely don't get this page. And then, or this page. So it'd be these two are kind of combined together. And then you do have a page of days of the week, but it's combined with the washi. So you just get a full week and 2 strips of washi. So you're easily getting, more than double there. You get 1 page of these, and it doesn't have the big sticker. It's just, so they have 7 stickers, and then they have a couple of scripts at the bottom and a couple of icons. So yeah, you only have a couple of checklists. So I'm going to say that this is probably enough for me for the whole month. And just this, which if I were to go and individually buy kits, most months have about 4 weeks. So that would be about $40 plus the cost of the big plus the cost of the big sticker, which would be at least another $4 plus shipping on top of all of that. So I think you're getting a really good value. They're nice quality stickers, and they're like they're really fun to put down. You know how you have some stickers that you pull up and there's just something about them that it is just really pleasing to put them down, and it has kind of a euphoric sense. I know it's a sticker thing. I know. Anyhow. But that's kind of the feel I get with these. So it matches really nicely with the smoothness and the textures that you get in your cousin, at least for me. So I'm going to go ahead and link her down below. I'll also link her channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I certainly am going to enjoy these stickers. I probably won't use them until January because I have some special things in mind, but I'm really looking forward to using them. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.